Hello students, I welcome you all to this virtual computer class. So our today's topic is specifying alignments. What is meant by alignment or how can you specify it? Alignment refers to the placement of text on a slide. One can set the alignment of the text either before or after entering the text. And alignment of the text can be adjusted in two ways. First one is horizontal alignment. Second one is vertical alignment. So it refers to the placement of text. How do you want that your text should be placed in a slide? That is meant by alignment. You want the text to be left aligned, so it will appear on the left side. If you want the text to be aligned in the center, so it will appear in the center of the slide. If you want its text to be aligned in the right direction, so it will appear on the right side. This is meant by alignment, the placement of the text on a complete slide. So I will show you the steps how to change the text alignment. So students, if I want to change the alignment of this text which I have written, so first of all I will select the text. I will first teach you about first part, horizontal alignment. Okay, so I have selected text. Now you can see this button. This refers to these lines which you can see. This is known as left alignment. Align text to the left. This is known as center or align text to the center. This is right alignment, that is it aligns the text to the right, and this is meant by justify. Align text to both the right and left margins, adding extra space between words as necessary. This creates a clean look along the left and right side of the page. So first of all, you can see students, when I have selected this text, this button is active. That means this text is already left aligned. If I want to align this text to the center, I will click on this button. This will align my text to the center. If I want my text to appear on the right side, that means to be right aligned, so I will select the text and I will click on right align button. So this has placed my text to the right side, towards the right side. So this is known as right alignment. So students, now I will tell you about justify alignment. What is meant by justify? We have already read here that justify align the text to both the left and right margins. That means whenever I will click on justify button, so here you can see first of all these zigzag lines or these lines are not proper. Okay, so when I will click on justify, and the space is also very less in between two words. When I click on justify, you can see this these two lines on the either sides of the text has become more symmetrical and there is sufficient space in between the words. So this is the function of justify. It aligns the text equally between the left and the right margins and leave sufficient space in between the words. Okay, so this is the difference between left alignment and justify alignment. Both will look similar, but there is a little difference that justify align the text to both the right and left and right margins equally, and it leaves the spaces, sufficient spaces in between the words. And in left alignment, the text is only aligned to the left side, and there is also not any kind of sufficient space in between the words, and this line is also not symmetrical. But in justify, both the lines on the either sides are symmetrical. I hope you have understood the horizontal alignment. Students, now I will teach you about vertical. So students, let me select the text which I want to make vertically aligned. So I am selecting knowledge is power. This text I am selecting. So if I want to change the vertical alignment of this text, I will click on align text, this button on the paragraph group. This complete is font group, this complete is paragraph group. So I'm selecting align text button. I'm clicking on this. Now if I want my text to be aligned to the top, so which button I'll click? Top. This will align my text to the top of this placeholder. If I want my text to appear in the middle of this placeholder, so I will click on again this button and then middle. See, in this complete placeholder only I can change the placement of this text. Now it is aligned to the middle. If I want my text to appear in the bottom of this placeholder, I will again select my text and click on align text button, then bottom. This has placed my text to the bottom of this complete placeholder. So this is known as vertical alignment, when you are aligning the text to the top, bottom or middle. I hope you have understood. Thank you.